Good morning, students. This is math session 10th standard, chapter 3, algebra. In that, we are going to see about matrices. In this matrix introduction class, we are going to see the definition of a matrix, order of a matrix, and types of matrices. Here, matrix is a singular form, matrices is a plural form. Definition: a matrix is a rectangular array of elements. Here, rectangular array means rectangular arrangements. The horizontal arrangements are called rows and vertical arrangements are called columns. For example, here we are having one matrix. In this is called as row and this is called as row. So, for this matrix, we are having two rows. And this 418902 are called columns. So here we are having three columns. Like said, we have to represent the name of the matrix as usually capital letters. Okay, and the elements inside this matrix are represented as small letters. And also we represent the elements with the position A12, A13 like that. Next one is order of a matrix. If a matrix A has m number of rows and n number of columns, that is definitely a matrix will have some number of rows and columns. For example, if you are having 3 rows means you have to consider this m number as 3 and 2 columns means you have to consider this n number as 2. Then the order of the matrix A is number of rows. Here into symbol is used. That is, you have to pronounce this as cross. Then number of columns. That is m cross n. We read this m cross n as m cross n or m by n. The general form of a matrix A with m rows and n columns, that is order is m cross n, can be written in the form like this. This indicates the position of the elements. Here A11 means element in first row, first column. Here element in first row, second column. Like that it's extended. Here element in second row, first column. Here second row, second column. That is, the first number indicates the row number, second number indicates the column number. This is the general form of the matrix. The total number of entries in the matrix A is Aij. That is, Aij means this is, here I represents the row number and J represents the column number, is m into n. Mn means the multiplication of m and n. That is, if you are having 3 cross 2 matrix means we will have 6 elements in that matrix. Now we are going to see the types of matrices. Here we are having 9 types. Let us see the first one. First one is row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row and any number of columns. Then the matrix is called row matrix. A row matrix is also called as a row vector. A row matrix is of order 1 cross n. Here 1 represents the row number, n represents the number of columns. So let us see the example. For example, A equal to 8943. That is, here we are having only one row, but we are having 4 columns. Next one is column matrix. Similarly, a matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column and any number of rows. It is also called as a column vector. A column matrix is of order m cross 1. Here m represents the row number, 1 represents the column number. See this example. C equal to SC represents the name of the matrix. Here we are having only one column with 3 rows. Okay, so 3 rows with one column. Here we are having only one column, so this is called as column matrix. Next one is square matrix. What is the meaning of square? All sides are equal. Similarly, for the square matrix, the row number and column number are equal. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. That is M equal to N. A square matrix is of order M alone. Since both the numbers are equal, we can represent that as the single number. For example, see, this is like a square shape. That is, here we are having 2 rows and 2 columns. Fourth one is diagonal matrix. A square matrix. Here square matrix means number of rows and columns are equal. A square matrix, all of those elements except those in the leading diagonal are 0 is called a diagonal matrix. See, in this square matrix, this diagonal elements, this is called as the leading diagonal. Other than this, leading diagonal elements are 0 is called the diagonal matrix. Next one is scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix, that is, this is the diagonal matrix, a diagonal matrix in which all the leading diagonal elements are equal. That is, see, all the elements in this leading diagonal are equal is called a scalar matrix. Okay. Next one is identity or unit matrix. Here already we are known unit means one, that is single. Identity or unit matrix. A square matrix in which a square matrix in which elements in the leading diagonal are 1. That is, here all are equal means that is scalar matrix. If all the elements are 1 means it is called unit matrix or identity matrix. The rest are all 0 is called an identity or unit matrix. Usually we are represent this as the I only. A unit matrix of order n is written as in. That is, if you are having 3 rows, 3 columns means you have to represent that as I3. 2 rows and 2 columns mean represented as I2. Seventh one is zero matrix or null matrix. A matrix is said to be a zero matrix or null matrix if all its elements are 0. That is, in a matrix all the elements are 0 means it is called as the zero matrix. It is represented as O. O3 means 3 rows and 3 columns. O2 means 2 rows, 2 columns. A zero matrix of order n is written as On. Suppose 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is, here we are having 2 rows and 3 columns means is a zero matrix of the order 2 cross 3. Next one is transpose of a matrix. The matrix which is obtained by interchanging the elements in rows and columns of the given matrix A is called transpose of A and is denoted by A transpose, that is A power T. If order of A is m cross n, then the order of A transpose is n cross m. That is, then rows is changed into columns and the columns is changed into rows. This is A matrix and this is A transpose matrix. Order of this matrix is 2 rows, 3 columns. So we can write this as 2 cross 3. But it is changed as 3 rows and 2 columns. So that is 3 cross 2. The last one is triangular matrix. Triangular matrix is classified into two types. One is lower triangular matrix, another one is upper triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all the entries above the leading diagonal are 0 is called a lower triangular matrix. See this matrix B. This is the leading diagonal elements. The above elements in this leading diagonal are 0. Then it is called the lower triangular matrix. If all the entries below the leading diagonal are 0, then it is called an upper triangular matrix. See this A matrix. This is the leading diagonal. Here below elements all are 0 is an upper triangular matrix. Other than the types, we are having two kinds of matrices. The first one is equal matrices. The next one is the negative of a matrix. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if and only if they have the same order and each element of a matrix A is equal to the corresponding element of the matrix B. Then we can say A equal to B. See this example. If you are having the matrices A 5, 9, 2, minus 1. Here also we are having the same elements 5, 9, 2, minus 1. But the name of the matrix is B. So the order of the matrix as well as the elements in that matrix are equal. So we can say A equal to B. The next one is the negative of a matrix. The negative of a matrix A of order m cross n denoted by minus A with the same order m cross n is the matrix formed by replacing each element in the matrix A with its additive inverse. Here additive inverse is nothing but a number with the negative sign, that is 5, here minus 5. That is the additive inverse of this 5. The additive inverse of an element k is minus k. If the number is positive means you have to replace with negative sign. If the number is negative means you have to replace that as the positive number. See this example. A equal to 5, 9, 2, minus 1. This is the A matrix. You have to replace the negative of A matrix as minus A. Then the elements as 5 as minus 5, 9 as minus 9, 2 as minus 2 and minus 1 as 1. Let us see some examples in this exercise. See this example 3.57. If a matrix has 16 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? We are already known the elements in this matrix are multiplications of the order, that is row number and column number. So we have to find what are the factors of this, that is which two numbers are multiplied to get the answer as 16. For this we have to write the solution as all possible orders of a matrix with 16 elements are 1 cross 16, 16 cross 1, then 4 cross 4, then 2 cross 8 and 8 cross 2. These are the possible orders of a matrix has 16 elements. That's all the answer for this sum. Let us see the next example 3.58. Construct 3 cross 3 matrix whose elements are Aij equal to I square j square. Here there is no sign between I square and j square. So I have to consider that as a multiplication. Here construct 3 cross 3 elements means this is the 3 cross 3 matrix. That is A11 means first row, first column. Here element in first row, second column, element in first row, third column. So we have to write 3 rows and 3 columns like this with the row number and column number. Here they were given this Aij. Here I represents the row number, J represents the column number. Is given as I square and J square. So now we are going to find the A11 value. Here A11 means first I value is 1, J value is 1. Here I square and J square. I square means 1 square into 1 square. 1 square answer is 1 into 1 square is 1. So we will get 1. That is the element in this A11 is 1. Similarly for A12. Here 1 square into 2 square. 1 square answer is 1. 2 square answer is 4. So 1 into 4 is 4. So for that the element in A12 position is 4. Next one is A13. Here 1 square into 3 square. 3 square answer is 9. So 1 into 9 is 9. See here they were given Aij as I square into J square. So that only we are doing like this. For that SI sum they were giving some other conditions. I minus 2J. Like that they may give. Similarly how to find the answer for the remaining elements. Then finally how to write the matrix A as with the answers. Next example is 3.59. Find the value of A, B, C, D from the equation. See this, here we are having equal to sign. So this is called as equation. This is one matrix. This matrix is equal to this matrix. So the A minus B value is equal to 1. Here 2A plus C value is equal to 5. 2A minus 5 is equal to 0. 3C plus D equal to 2. Okay, let us see the solution. The given matrices are equal because equal to sign is given. So corresponding elements are also equal. So from the given matrix we have to form these equations. We will get 4 equations. We have to mark that as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in the third equation we are having equal to 0. So from this we can write 2A minus B equal to 0. This minus B come this side. It will change to B. Okay, how to mark this as the fifth equation. In this substitute this 2A equal to B in first equation. That is B value as 2A. Then we will get A minus 2A means minus A equal to 1, which implies A equal to minus 1. Then substitute this A value in fifth equation to get the B answer. Okay. Then substitute that A value in second equation to get the C answer. Okay, then you have to substitute C answer in fourth equation to get the D answer. Finally we will get all that answers. A equal to minus 1, B equal to minus 2, C equal to 7 and D equal to minus 19. Thank you students.